I became a millionaire from meme coins, but not from trading them, from launching them. Yep, I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. We're not going to be rugging anyone. We're going to be launching legit projects and profiting from them without crashing the coin. A specific strategy I'm going to show you in the video.
I became a millionaire from memecoins, but not from trading them, from launching them. Yep, I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. All of this was made legally using a specific strategy I'm going to show you in the video. We're not going to be rugging anyone. We're going to be launching legit projects and profiting from them without crashing the coin. So in this video, I'm going to go over everything. How to get an idea for a memecoin, how to create a memecoin, how to create a liquidity pool, how to promote the memecoin, and of course, the most important part, how to legally profit from a memecoin launch. So let's do it.
So how to get an idea for your meme coin. This is without a doubt the most important step of this whole process. Without a good idea, nobody will buy your coin, okay? If your idea is not funny or about a topic that is trending right now, nobody is going to buy your coin. So to help you get a good idea, I selected these three methods. The first one is using deck screener. So in this trending page, what you want to do is simply analyze all of these coins and try to understand what is the theme that all of these coins are following. So for example, in my case, there's a lot of animal coins. So I could create something, for example, about dogs, cats, whatever. And then I could use a tool like Canva to make the image, or I could even generate it with ChatGPT. Now, if you're just starting out, this method might be a bit complicated because you don't know for sure yet what works and what doesn't. So I would only really recommend this if you already have experience in launching meme coins. So the second method is copying an existing trending coin. So what this means is you're going to look for coins that are trending. So for example, 50, 100, 200,000 market cap, and you're simply going to copy those coins. You can also change the details if you want. So the name, symbol, image, but if you don't have experience in launching, it's completely fine if you just use the original details. So to do this, we're going to be using Axiom, but it can be any trading platform. So it can be Photon, Bullx, GMGN, any of those. And what you want to do is go to this migrated section and make sure you don't have any filters on. So you can see all the coins in here. Now just select any coin you think it's funny or you like. For example, this one has 116.15 and it's moving super fast. So it has a good market cap. And all we're going to do is copy the address of the coin and go to explorer.solana.com. Here, paste the address, select this, and so basically you have all the details of the coin, including the image. You can just right-click, open, and boom, you have the original image the coin is using. So this method is much faster. And if you don't have experience yet, this can help you a lot because you just simply grab an idea that is already working and you launch your own coin without worrying if it's going to work or not, because it's most likely going to work because it's already a trending coin. So the only issue with this method is that you still need to do everything manually. So grabbing the image, all the details, creating the coin, everything manually, you still waste a little bit of time. So to fix that, we still have this third method. We're still going to be copying a coin, but with just one click. What this means is we're going to select a coin we like, we click create coin, and boom, it's done. So to do this, we're going to be using solanatokenlabs.io on this copy trending tokens page. So in here, you have a bunch of trending coins, and all you're going to do is select the one you like and click create token. This takes us to the next step, creating the meme coin. So to do this, there's multiple options nowadays. There's pump.fun, Launchly, Moonshot, the list goes on. So in my opinion, all of these platforms suck. I wouldn't really recommend using them because the problem is all of these platforms control the liquidity of your coin. The moment you create a coin, you lose all the control over it. And this is really bad because it limits a lot the amount of profit you can make. The other issue is that there's hundreds and hundreds of coins coins being launched per minute on this platform. It's completely insane. So if you launch on here, your coin would have a very, very small chance of succeeding. So the alternative is using Raydium. In my opinion, this is a much better option because not only do you have full control over your coin, but there's also way less competition because it's a bit more complicated to launch on Raydium than on pump.fun, for example. To launch, I am going to solanatokenlabs.io, connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Fake It Until You Make It and shortening it to FUMT to keep it catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next, and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, I'm writing fake it until you make it. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solanatokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put MN or pump-like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on solanatokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO, like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off Revoke Freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off Revoke Mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off Revoke Update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click Create Token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. Now the next step is creating a liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. Select Create Liquidity Pool, which will immediately transition you to Raydium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. Now, the essential step, making our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to solanatokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Raydium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this, I'm inputting FUMT as the symbol and Fake It Until You Make It as the project. Press Add User Token to confirm, then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.3 SOL fee from your total amount, because the creation fee I'm pointing out, the fee tier should be set at 0.2%. After triple checking all your inputs, select Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable. But there's still one step left: promoting your meme coin. This is very important because without this, you're not going to get many buyers, okay? So the first option is using DEX Screener ads. So your coin would show on the top of this list on DEX Screener. This is great because not only do you get millions of people seeing your coin, but you also get credibility because when people see a coin on Dex Screener, they automatically trust it way more. Now, unfortunately, there's a problem with this. This promotion is quite expensive. So if you're just starting out, this might not be the best option. So a free alternative is promoting your meme coin on social media. So you go on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, all of those, and you simply post your coin there. This can definitely work, but it can also be very annoying because you have to manually post your coin over and over again. So to do this automatically, you can use a platform like promotememes.fun. They will do all of this automatically for you. Click Connect Wallet, confirm the pop-up, and that's it. Wallet connected, ready to go. Before I show you the flow, take a second to scroll. You'll see why this platform's a game changer. It's trusted by top tracking platforms, promotes across 20 plus crypto sites, and even gives you visibility on DEX tools and SolScan automatically. It's literally your one-stop launch companion. All right, now back to the form. I'm pasting my token address right here. Just grab yours from solanatokenlabs.io and drop it in. Next, pick your promotion type. They've got a free 1-minute test, but I'm going with the advanced 60 minutes option. It costs 0.5 Sol and shows the full potential. Here's the fun part. This new update lets you instantly create a free website for your token. Just toggle on Include Free Website. Upload your logo, enter your token name. I'll name this one Fake It Until You Make It, and select your launch platform, like Raydium or Launch Lab. Pick your theme, I usually go with dark, then confirm. Done. The website preferences are saved automatically. Now we're ready to go. Hit pay and promote. The phantom window pops up. Unlock your wallet, confirm the transaction, and watch the process in real time. It's building your website and promoting your token at the same time. Literally hands-free. Almost done. And boom, website ready. It shows your custom website link. Just copy it or click Visit Website. Let's check it out. Here's our live token website, fully generated in under 2 minutes. We've got the logo, token name, and Live on Solana badge. Scrolling down, you can see all the sections already filled. Token details, supply, tokenomics, buy buttons, even real-time chart tracking links for DEX Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and DEX tools. It looks completely professional and instantly ready to share. Now here's what makes this so powerful. While your website's live, the system automatically shares your coin across all major crypto communities. Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and smaller alpha groups that you wouldn't even find manually. So for the next hour, your coin gets visibility everywhere. No manual posting, no burnout. Within minutes, you'll start seeing chart activity on DEX Screener, live trades, real traction, and early buyers jumping in. This is the same automation I use for every launch.
So I view my token on Photon and look at this $132,000 market cap. This is just absolutely insane. Look at the amount of buys here. This is crazy.
So how do we profit from this now? Go to raydium.io. Ensure your wallet is properly connected and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area. And there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol. Then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $16,000 in official profits. If we check our wallet, look at this. The 50 million tokens that we left here are now worth $16,000. This is just absolutely insane. So now you can just sell this. I don't really recommend selling everything all at once because that would crash the token. So you can sell a bit here, a bit there, and eventually you're going to sell everything. So this is just absolutely insane. Now this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not responsible for anything that happens on your meme coin launches. Make sure you do everything responsibly. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop a comment and see ya.